Celebrating 66 years with AI Harmony, Gemini's new music creation tool. Hello there, I'm Bob. On March 1st, 2026, my wonderful wife Alice and I are celebrating our 66th wedding anniversary. We started our journey back in 1960, and I wanted to give her something as timeless as our love, using the newest tools available. Finding the music in the machine. I stumbled upon Gemini's new music creation tool, Lyria 3, simply called Create Music, right here. If you don't see the icon, give your system a quick reboot. It worked for me, or you might have to wait a few days for it to roll out to your computer. The recipe for a love song. Here is the prompt I used to get this new music creation tool to create the music I was hoping for. Instant harmony. Well, back in 1960, my lucky stars aligned with Alice for me. Now it's 2026 and our love still so true. 66 years of adventure with you. Oh, our 66 years of love sent from heaven above. It only took seconds to create the full lyrics and vocals and instruments. The output you'll hear is from Gemini Lyria 3 model, making the personal possible. Technology is at its best when it helps us tell our stories. You don't need to be a musician to write a love song anymore. This tool makes creativity accessible to everyone. It took our specific memories, 1960, the adventure, the timeline, and turned them into something I could share. Here's the 66 years of adventure, 1960 to 2026. I called it Alice's Song. Turn up the volume and listen to the story with us. It was created with Gemini's Lyria 3, and I did the narration.
Well, back in 1960, my lucky stars aligned with Alice for me. Now it's 2026 and our love's still so true. 66 years of adventure with you. Oh, our 66 years of love.